Okay everybody, today I'm going to introduce you about this particular dish. It's actually a pineapple. This is actually actual pineapple and it has got rice in it and some fruit, right? Pineapple, some peanuts or kaju we call it.
Yeah, cashew nut,
Cashew nut, yes.
raisins, carrot.
So that's an interesting dish. I haven't had such dish ever in my life. So I'll just try to eat it, how it tastes. Let me try.
Good.
It gives you a good feel.
And here, tom yum goong. High spicy soup with
That?
shrimp.
I thought it could be different, but it's very nice. Very light. Feels good. It's very tasty and delicious. Wow.
Yummy. The good thing is, the more you keep eating, the better it is. Because it has fruits inside.
Well, that fruit gives you a good taste. And the kaju as well.
Make you feel heavy also. And you know how expensive cashew is in our country.
It has got chicken pieces as well. Pineapple, chicken piece, cashew nut, rice.
And here they have shrimp.
And I think, what's that black thing?
Raisin.
Raisins also. Look at the raisin. Now another dish which Mr. Shabazz will try to describe about it. Mr. Shabazz.
Tom yum goong. High spicy soup with shrimp.
Shrimps are also there.
And they have vegetables inside.
Okay.
Lemongrass, look at this. This is lemongrass.
Oh,
So lemongrass is very good to make you feel better.
lemongrass
Yeah.
and some other vegetables.
Vegetables like leaf, green leaves, or something.
Green leaves. I think onions are also inside.
Onion, bay leaves also.
So this is something which I would say very healthy. It doesn't have anything that can be harmful for your health. I think it's very good. It is a combination of shrimps and
Very
vegetables.
Very balanced.
Yeah. So it's going to be interesting. Whenever you come to Thailand, try this dish. Look at those shrimps. Mr. Shabazz is having those shrimps.
How was the Swedish food yesterday?
We had Swedish food yesterday and it was a wonderful, wonderful food. Especially the meatballs, the beef balls.
Yeah.
I loved it. They were so scrumptious, I cannot even tell you. I mean, I haven't had such delicious meatballs ever. And the sausages were really, really good. I mean, they were not normal sausages. They were very special.
Because they bring it everything from Sweden.
Yes, yes.
Like is a Swedish brand, that's why everything is from Sweden. And that's why the ice cream is totally different from the ice cream outside. It's not the same ice cream. They have soya bean.
Obviously, it's a special thing. They've made. Now, as far as I am concerned, I'm having this sort of a soup, I would say. I would call it a soup. So we bought this. I always like boiled chicken with soup. because such things are very healthy for me. I don't eat oily things. That's why I went for boiled rice and this curry. Actually, it's a curry, right? Kind of a curry, but it doesn't have any oil in it. So that's why I like it. Look at the shrimp.
Yeah.
We are again on Terminal 21. One of the finest places. It has got variety of food that you can enjoy here. Anything, Thai, Indian, especially it has variety of Thai food, juices, fruits. We are in Terminal 21 and we are in food court. Look at the people eating. Yes, Shabaz, I never thought it would be so delicious. ये जो टेस्ट आ रहा है ना पाइनएप्पल है, तो हमने दिया ही पाइनएप्पल काट के इसमें डाल दिया एज अ प्लेट बना। यानी नेचुरल लगे।
You can remove it like this, perfect, and you can even take a bite out of it.
इधर में भी
Yeah, then you can try to eat if you want. Look at this. So the juice will come out.
वाह
And when the warm rice are on top of it,
यार, ये तूने बहुत ही कमाल डिश है।
है ना? And then look at that.
ये भी मुझे पसंद आई है।
अच्छा,
सिर्फ ये क्या शोरा या नहीं, लेकिन श्रिम्प में ना ये कमाल है।
you know due to the spice level, most of our people love this one only. And I started learning from that.
मिलता ही मैंने खाई हुई है लास्ट टाइम। मैं पाइनएप्पल का टेस्ट कमाल है।
Yummy?
बड़ा मज़ा, पाइनएप्पल और चिकन और काजू मुंह पे जब डालते हैं ना,
हाँ?
बड़ा मज़ा है। यानी मीठा जा, नमकीन जा।